Hi, my name is Cole Bennett. I'm owner, operator, and builder of Weis Manufacturing in Brooklyn, New York. This is our Gravel SL model. It's our gravel racer. It's got a pretty aggressive geo for a gravel bike. It has fairly short chainstays, but with big tire clearances. It'll clear a 650 by 2.1 or a 700 by 45. It's a full aluminum construction, 7000 series aluminum, with a carbon fiber seat mast. The tubing we use for this frame is a lot of custom stuff that we have made to our spec. It's fully butted throughout. The seat mast itself is something we worked with ENVE on. It's something we had made with gravel racing in mind. The dropouts and head tubes and bottom brackets, through axles, there's a lot of stuff that we have made custom. We don't use a lot of off-the-shelf parts. Even our bottom brackets are something that we have made because we want them specifically to our spec. The dropouts are Syntace replaceable hanger, through axle, flat mount dropouts. There's a lot going on there that allows us to, for example, replace the hanger if you get into a crash, or dial in your alignment so that when it comes out of the shop, it's absolutely perfect. Our head tubes are also custom made. They're CNC'd from a solid piece of aluminum. They have an IS-52 lower, which creates that really nice seamless look that you get from an integrated head tube, and then a ZS-44 upper, which allows us to cut the tube to very specific lengths so we can get that real custom fit. We also use a topper that we have designed ourselves based around the second generation MV seat guts, which are super reliable and prevent slippage. This topper is super lightweighted and 5-axis milled out of aluminum. For paint, we did a new experimental thing we've been working on lately, which is a marbleized two-tone scheme with some heavy metallic purple logos, where you're definitely going to be seeing more of this kind of paint coming out of our shop in the future. It's something new that we've been working on and are very excited about. Overall, the Gravel SL is a fun and fast gravel racer. This is a frame that's going to feel fast on the flats, punchy up the climbs, but also can get pretty technical because of the big tire clearances. This frame specifically is one that I built for myself. I've been riding the first Gravel SL prototype, and I'm very excited to have replaced it with this. We've made some tweaks to the geo and some of the CNC machine parts, and I'm very, very excited to take this out in Utah and get some riding in.